Digital products are quickly becoming the future of online business. And if you're a beginner, this might actually be the smartest and easiest way to start to generate income online. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shani, and I help women of faith build online business using the power of digital products and AI. And if you've been wanting to start an online business, but you're not sure on where to start or even how to start, then this video is going to give you clarity, and hopefully it helps you to get a clearer understanding of how you can go about starting your own business. So let's get into it. Over the last few years, things have changed drastically. From the pandemic hit, and a lot of people started to be home. They started to realize, I want to stay home. I want to stay home with my family. I want to stay home with my children. I want more flexible ways to make money. I want more freedom, more time for my family. But they also want to make sure that they have enough income to cover everything. And they also want the lowest way to start a business without having to think about shipping, inventory, or even having to buy stuff up front just to get the business started. And digital product is one of the business that covers all of these. It's the most flexible, it's the most freedom structured business I've ever come across. Because the thing about it is that you make the product once and you can sell them over and over again. So it's not overwhelming. And with the power of AI, these days, it's much easier to get started. So when you think about digital products, I want you to think of these as simple, intangible materials, something that you can use a simple app or a simple tool just to create, such as Canva or even ChatGPT. So these are easy to create guides, templates, eBooks, mini courses, ChatGPT prompts, simple stuff that you can package and sell online. And with digital products, there will be no inventory, you have nothing to ship, and there's no upfront work. You just create these once, and then, as I said before, you sell them over and over and over again. Let's talk about the reasons why digital product is the future and has become so popular in the online space and everywhere else. So I'm going to talk about 5 reasons. I'm going to list for you 5 reasons why digital products are the future. So the number 1 reason is there is no overhead cost. So what this is that if you had to start a business now, and you had to think about, for instance, if you wanted to get manufacturers from China, you wanted to start to bring products in just to test and just to start a business, then if you've ever tried that before, you know how hard it is to find manufacturers, to have the money up front to pay them, plus to buy inventory. So the great thing about digital product is that you don't have to do any of this. You don't need any inventory to start. You don't need to be packing and shipping anything to anyone. And you don't have to worry about having a lot of income or money to get started. These digital products can be created with just by using a few simple apps on your phone. So you don't have to worry about the overhead cost of starting a traditional business when you think about starting with digital products. Number 2 is that there is unlimited scalability. So what this means is you can sell it to one person, you can sell it to 1,000 people, you can sell it to 10,000 people, or even more. You are not limited as to the amount of people you can sell a digital product to. And the same digital product, when you create the product one time, it can be sold over and over again, and that will give you scalability. Reason number 3 is that AI makes creating digital product faster than ever before. You can now use simple tools as ChatGPT and Canva to create a digital product in just a few hours. So, with products, when you're creating your first digital product, you don't have to think about, how long you have to spend. For instance, if you were going to write an ebook in the past, then with the power of AI, you can write these ebooks in hours. You don't have to think about sitting down and trying to brainstorm everything or trying to do everything on your own. The thing I love about ChatGPT or even AI overall is that you can use AI to be your assistant. You don't need a team. You don't need a big team. You don't need people from, all over the place, or trying to hire people just to write a script for you, just to do copywriting, to do this, to do that. You don't need that anymore. And what I've learned is that you can use AI in 2026 to start a one-person business that is able to make $1 million or even more with just you and the power of the AI tools. So that's how powerful using AI as an assistant, using AI to, to assist you in your research, to assist you with coming up with ideas. AI can literally do everything. I'm telling you, I've never seen such, such a tool that has made things so much easier. So I'm imploring you to take advantage of the AI opportunity that you see right now, because it is the future, and this is where the future of online business is also going as well. So if you're not already started using AI or even learning simple AI tools, then what are you waiting for? The time is now. The number 4 reason why digital products are the future is that you are able to have a global market with digital products. You can be in the comfort of your home and sell a digital products to people anywhere in the world. So you're able to reach people from China, Africa, England, anywhere. Once it is that they have an internet connection and you're posting content and they see you online and they want to buy the product from you, then it's that easy to get people from anywhere in the world to buy a product from you. So digital product is definitely something you have to consider in 2026. And last but not least, reason number 5 is the passive income potential that digital product has. You create a digital product one time and you're able to sell this, it's able to sell 24/7. Are you thinking about that? Like having a product that is able to make money even while you sleep. Once it is that you set it up correctly, you set up the systems and all the things that you need to sell this digital product, then traffic will always be coming in. So that's the thing. That's where, you start to see passive income. That's where you start to see, you're able to scale a digital product, and then you're able to even build the wealth for your future with just this, because this gives you passive income, and then you're able to invest that money to do other things and to set up yourself and your family. I'm telling you, don't sleep on this opportunity. I implore you to take AI, digital products, all these things that you're seeing going around. Please take them seriously. They are the future, and you don't want to be left behind. If you're planning on building a future for your family, a future for yourself and your future children, or your husband, or, just your family, or even yourself overall, then these online opportunities are endless, I'm telling you. So you want to make sure that you're taking advantage of all the opportunities that are available. So let's talk about why beginners are winning with digital products. So here's the shift. In the past, you'd have to think about, your experience, the skills that you have, and also the time that you have also. But right now, all you need is a simple idea or even a problem that you know how to solve already. Then you need one simple AI tool that can help you with the ideas and everything and to put everything together. And then once you're done with those, all you need to do is to be consistent. Consistent in everything that you're doing, consistent with posting, consistent in showing up. Be persistent in everything that you do, and then that is where you'll start to see results. Beginners are winning right now with digital products is because they are staying consistent, they're taking action, they're using the AI tool to allow them to go even faster, and they're also keeping things very simple. The simpler it is, the easier it is to scale. Once you start to overcomplicate stuff, then that's where the confusion comes. So you want to keep it as simple as possible. So here's the simplest way that you can get started with creating your first digital product is step number 1. You want to choose a problem that you already know how to solve. Choose something that you have experience in already, or if it's something that you've overcome in the past and you've learned something from it and you feel like this can be something that you can show someone else how to do it or even teach them how to do it. So find a problem. Step number 2, you're going to use ChatGPT to help you to come up with the ideas, help you to come up with your content for your digital product. So once it is that you have the problem, which is from step 1, you're going to go into ChatGPT and put in what the problem is, what you're trying to do, all the ideas and everything else. Tell the AI exactly what you want and it will be able to assist you. Step 3, you want to go to Canva and you want to design your digital product from there. This is very simple. Canva is a very good tool and it's easy to use as well. So this is where you are able to be creative, get creative with it. Once it is that you get all the ideas from ChatGPT and you've decided on, the problem that you're going to solve, you're going to make sure that you want to fine tune it. You want to go over it because remember it's an AI tool. So you want to make sure that you're also using your human intelligence, your input on everything that the AI is giving you. You want to proofread it. You want to see if there's any error, if there was any error made. So that's what you do, and then you go to Canva to create your product as well. Step number 4, you just need a simple platform to sell it on. And I use beacons.ai. That's one of my favorite platforms, just to put your digital product on. It also has a link, so it's like a link in bio where you can just put your digital product there, and that can be the home for your digital product. And then step number 5 is when you start to create content around your digital product, around what you're selling, and drive traffic to beacons.ai where people can just click the link or click the product that you're selling and buy it from there. It's that simple. And that is it. There is no complicated systems needed. And if you want me to walk you through this step by step and create your first digital products using AI, then I am hosting an absolutely free live training this Thursday where I want you to click the link down in the description box below and reserve your seat. I will see you there. So digital products are not just the future, they are happening right now. So now is the time. Now is the opportunity in front of us to take action, to jump in. And the question is, are you going to take advantage of this opportunity right now, or are you going to sit on the sidelines and watch other people make money from this and also create freedom from it for their families and their future? So you have to choose. You have to choose, what side do you want to be on? Do you want to be on the success side or you want to stay on the other side? It's always up to you. And I don't want you overcomplicate this. I don't want you to overthink it. It's very simple. So I want you to join me on Thursday where I will break it down for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.